Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing. Imagine if there was a super simple way to help repair your DNA and fight cancer, just by eating one fruit every day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because today we're talking about how this one little fruit could be a game changer for your health. And no, it's not some rare exotic fruit you've never heard of. It's something you can find in almost any grocery store. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the pomegranate. This little powerhouse is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that researchers are saying can actually repair DNA and even help prevent cancer. I know it sounds like some superhero stuff, but trust me, there's real science behind it. First, let's talk about what's inside this superfruit. Pomegranates are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. But the real stars of the show are the antioxidants, specifically punicalagins and anthocyanins. These compounds are what make pomegranates so special. They help reduce inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and, as studies suggest, might even repair DNA. Okay, here comes the science. When we talk about DNA repair, we're referring to the body's ability to fix mutations or errors in the DNA sequence. These mutations, if left unchecked, can lead to diseases like cancer. Now, pomegranates come into play because the antioxidants in them help neutralize free radicals, those nasty molecules that can cause DNA damage. By munching on some pomegranate, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep your DNA in check. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract can increase the activity of proteins responsible for DNA repair. So it's like sending in a special ops team to fix those tiny errors in your DNA before they become a big problem. And that's not all. Pomegranates also contain compounds that might help kill off cancer cells or stop them from spreading. Alright, so how do you actually get more pomegranate into your life? You can eat the seeds straight up, add them to salads, mix them into yogurt, or even blend them into smoothies. If you're feeling fancy, you can try making pomegranate juice. It's a bit of work, but the payoff is worth it. Here's a pro tip. To avoid a mess, slice your pomegranate in half and hold it over a bowl of water. The seeds will sink and the pith will float. Easy peasy. Now, here are a couple of fun facts about pomegranates you might not know. First, did you know that in some cultures, pomegranates are considered a symbol of life and fertility? And here's a myth buster. Some people think eating too many pomegranates could be bad for you because of the sugar content. But the reality is, the health benefits far outweigh any downside from the natural sugars, especially if you're eating a balanced diet. So there you have it. Eating pomegranate daily isn't just a tasty way to boost your nutrition. It might also be one of the easiest things you can do to help repair your DNA and keep cancer at bay. I hope you learned something new today and are excited to add this superfruit to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment below if you're a pomegranate fan or if you have other superfoods you'd like me to cover. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the amazing benefits of pomegranates.